I don't think you have to worry about any kind of glue. You just have to do. I don't think you're supposed to have Elmer's glue. Alright, but I'm just gonna use this one.
And we couldn't find any food coloring that.
So we should use that.
So just got these. Right? I'm doing this one too.
I feel like this is gonna be a fail.
And this one too.
No.
We got this.
That smells.
Can't smell the Elmer's glue.
I'm gonna do blue.
The red and blue?
So I'm just gonna use this for now. Does it want to?
Just use the back side.
Alright.
What about me?
Why are we gonna use the whole thing? I don't know.
Just use the back side.
It's getting hard.
Use the back side.
It's hard to take it out.
Just mix it up. Just keep on mix it up. Make sure it does not get to my hands.
I don't really care what I do.
Just mix it up. It'll be sliding. Oh.
Right. Alright, that's gonna be enough.
Just mix it up.
So far,
So good.
we are going to mix it up. It's going so far so good for the color.
Mix it up, and I'm getting all
So far, this is just like liquidy glitter. I don't know how or why, but
put a little bit of water. Put more.
yeah, this isn't turning blue. This isn't turning blue.
See?
Guys, this isn't turning blue.
It says sparkly. You see?
Ah, we got the wrong one. Go, Junior, go.
I'm trying to do.
So far, so bad.
Just scoop it out from my
This is totally gonna be a fail, I think.
I didn't use
I don't
red.
know. I don't know. I want to do this. Cause it, so far,
Kind of good.
this is, like he said, it's kind of good.
Kind of.
Didn't really turn blue like we thought. It's just a bunch of glitter.
Put some
It's
water.
alright. Yeah, I think you need water. I don't know the exact instructions.
Just put a little water.
Don't put too
That
much.
much.
What up?
And you want some salt? Think of my need some
No,
salt.
probably not.
For a lot of videos.
Don't put too much. Alright, so mix it up again. I think it worked. I don't know. I don't know if it did or not. I think this
Coming out. Coming out.
It looks like a poop. I think it's yeah, it's just go big thumb. Yeah, that's enough.
I use the little bottle. Make some salt.
Mix it.
You see salt?
Yeah, just mix it salt.
Come back, guys.
I don't know if this is gonna be a fail or success, but let's hope that it's a success. It looks like a fail so far. Junior! Also bring napkins! Just don't do what I did right now. Don't do this. I don't know why I'm still doing it. Junior! So far, so bad. Got out of my shorts. This is such a fail so far. I don't know how I got some of this in here.
So,
Did you bring napkins? Bring napkins too. Just leave the salt right there. Okay. Can I stop? Just leave it right there. Okay, now just pour some salt like you did. Probably didn't see it. Bring some napkins quick. So pour
It's gonna be
some
sticky
salt.
anyways.
Pour some salt just like Junior just did. Shoot. Spread it apart. Make sure that the salt spread it apart. Okay. Make sure it's spread apart equally. Not sure this. Shoot. I'm not sure this is gonna be a fail or success.
How do you do that? Liquidy, huh?
Yeah.
So
I did so wrong. Here. Hold up. Make sure the camera sees.
oh, sorry. Sorry, guys.
Alright.
All of it.
We were supposed to put it equally every single place.
Oh, it's working. It's working.
Yo, I'm not sure if it's working or not, but he said that's working. I can't really show
I
you or
felt
else.
it. I felt it. Like, take a little bit. Take a little bit.
I think this is working.
Huh? And bring some more salt.
Equally to every place. No, just like that, just like that. Yo, I'll go see some.
Try it. Oh!
Oh my gosh, guys.
I
Oh
told
my
you we
gosh.
need salt.
Bring a plate. Like those soup plates. Bring like those soup plates. That way we could put the water inside it.
You mean the bowl?
Yo, yeah. I think this is a success, guys.
We're gonna put it. We're gonna put it, and then we're gonna leave the hole like that.
Yeah. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh, I think this is a success.
I'm gonna bring some salt, right? Or salt. We can bring some more.
Yo, look at this. Dude. I was like delegate food coloring. I don't know. I'm just gonna put some yellow glitter. Who cares? Just gonna scoop it on my finger. To see how it looks.